Hey, what's up? We're getting ready to put a new set of fog lights in my 2014 Ford Expedition. And so this is a real simple thing to do. On my passenger side, one of the fog lights, the seal broke on the fog light, so it keeps getting water in there, especially in the car wash. It keeps bursting the bulb that's inside. So I'll show you how to replace these. I got a set off of Amazon. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video to the tinted set that I have, the smoked set, and also the regular clear set, so you can decide what ones you want to buy. So you can see this fog light in the front, the bulb's broken on the inside. I replaced the bulb. It used to fill up with water and I put a little hole in the bottom of it, and that didn't work either. It still gets some moisture in it and keeps breaking bulbs. So I'm going to swap these both out. I figured I'd go with the smoked fog lights because the main beam on it has a darker housing on the inside. This is the limited, and I thought it looked kind of cool. Okay, so to remove the fog lights, it's a pretty simple process. There's a clip right here to disconnect the wire harness for the light. So you push that tab in, pull down. That's disconnected, and there are three 11mm nuts right here that you gotta unscrew. So I have a 1/4 inch ratchet set up. And I was going to screw these real quick. This one. Two. Third one right there. I'm trying to do this while I'm holding the camera at the same time. I'm on my back in the driveway. This is a total driveway install. So now what you're going to do is you're going to push this forward and you're going to pull it out through the front. So usually Steve and I are on a nice lift in a nice shop doing this stuff, but today Tony's keeping it real because Steve's on a plane out to fix bus stuff. So once in a while it's going to do a driveway deal, right? So this is how you take the front fog light out. Now you can just reach in there and pull it right out. So here's the old fog light I just took out. Here's the new fog light that I bought on Amazon. These look pretty nice. They're smoked, but they're not crazy, not, you know, real dark. They match, actually the main beam's pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. And I'm going to install this back in right now. So there are 3 tabs on the back of the fog light. Match them up with the holes inside and push it right in. There you go. Now you can climb under and fasten up those nuts. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take one hand and put it on the other side of the bumper and hold it on the front side of the fog light while you catch these 3 nuts. I just did it off camera. It's kind of hard to film and attach these at the same time, so that's what I did. It'll make it easier on you. And just take your 11mm, tighten these up. You don't need to crank down big time on these, just get them so they catch and they're snug. That one's good. That one's good. And now put your headlight harness back on, the wire harness back onto the fog light, sorry. And give it a tug, make sure it's clipped in place. That's good. And the other fog light's done the exact same way. So if you need to adjust the fog light beam, like up or down, this screw right here, it's like a Phillips screw. You can screw it in or screw it out, and the fog light will go up or down, and you can kind of aim your beam that way. There's no side to side, just up and down on it. All right, so I got both fog lights in here. What the tinted fog lights look like, they match actually the limited lights really good, and they actually look really good on this truck. But like I said, I'll put the clear ones in the description of the video too, so if you have the clear lights like my other Expedition does, you can just get the normal ones. Let's light them up and you can see what it looks like. So here's what the fog lights look illuminated. They come with bulbs, regular halogen bulbs. I threw some LED bulbs in there that are really good. And you know what I'll do too is I actually did the main beams the other day. The main beam bulbs look awesome. They work really good at night. I'll throw links for the bulbs in the description of the video as well. That's pretty much it, guys. This is a really easy job. You can probably bang out both of these fog lights in under 5 minutes. That's all it is 3 screws on each, and push them out to the front like I showed you, and it's a pretty quick process. It's easy to do. I put the truck up on ramps, put the emergency brake on so it doesn't roll back. You know, always remember safety stuff, and you should be good to go. It's not very hard to do. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, and I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching.